Good afternoon, guys. You are warmly welcome to Mom's Buffet, my YouTube food review channel. Today afternoon, my video session is my first video session in New Year lunch meal. Today I going to bring you another new recipe or different lunch meal. And you subscribe my channel, subscribe and press bell icon. Also I am in also I have Mom's Buffet, my Facebook channel and Instagram. Also I have Mom's Buffet YouTube. Oh, mistake. Also I have Mom's Buffet Facebook page and Instagram page. You can follow these pages and can be get best experience about Sri Lankan local foods and other things. Okay guys, let's see what are the main dish and sub dishes in today my lunch meal. Okay guys, now you can see today my lunch meal. Today my lunch meal contain main dish is white rice and sub dishes are this is jackfruit mallum or jackfruit salad. This is chicken curry. You can see chicken parts. These are very much magnetic spices. You can see chicken curry appearance. It is it is look it's look like very yummy chicken curry. This is coconut milk gravy. Okay guys, let's talk about nutritional value in today's lunch. First we consider about main dish. Main dish has more amount of carbohydrate. That carbohydrates are want to produce energy in our body from cellular respiration, because carbohydrates are main raw material in cellular respiration. Okay, let's talk about nutritional value in sub dishes. First we consider about jackfruit mallum. Jackfruit is more natural and organic because of it is organic food. It contains many vitamins, proteins and essential substances and carbohydrates. Among them, jackseed contain more amount of proteins. That proteins are essential to keep good health in our body. Okay, let's consider about another sub dish. It is chicken curry. Chicken contain many proteins and vitamin and few amount of carbohydrates. I forget to tell something. When to cook jackfruit mallum, it is cooked using coconut oil. Okay, let's see consider about coconut milk gravy. Coconut milk gravy have coconut contain good fats. That good fats are help to keep good health in our body. Also, when to prepare this curry, we use turmeric powder. That turmeric powder contain germ killer ability. That ability help to protect our body from diseases. And also, I like to tell curry powder. And also, I like to tell when to prepare this gravy. We use curry powder, curry leaves, and rampage. That substances contain essential local medicines and natural phenolic substances to our body. These are help to keep good health in our body. Okay guys, I think you enjoyed today my lunch meal food review video session. I'm going to finish today my lunch food review video session. Today video, no mistake. After watch today my video, you can add like and video share, and don't forget to mention comment. That comments are help to me improve my videos. I mention description about more information. Today video contain meal, sub dishes and main dishes informations. You can read these points to more understand in today my video. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day. I wish to meet you as soon as another new video. Goodbye.